Привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to show you how to make key lime pie. It's so delicious. I went recently to America and I went to a pie shop. Some of you probably seen that vlog where we go and try different desserts, and I tried my first key lime pie and I absolutely fell in love. This dessert was just amazing. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious lime curdy filling, and we'll top it up with fresh cream in delicious crust pie pastry. It's actually quite easy to make. It's a lot easier to make than it sounds, and I really hope you make this. And guys, you can get access to all my recipes via the link under my video. So you have a link there, you click that, you can become a member today and you will get access to all my video recipes and obviously all the new videos that are coming out every single month. Now, let's get baking. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add your biscuits into a food processor. I'm using digestive biscuits, but technically you can use any biscuits that you like. You can also do this process by putting the biscuits in a plastic bag and then smashing them with a rolling pin. Of course, food processor is just a lot faster and easier, and this should only take a couple of seconds. Once it's done, you're going to go ahead and add your sugar. And then also add your melted butter. And blitz everything together one more time until you get nice, delicious crumbs. The mixture will become nice and smooth and sandy, just like so. Take your baking tray, you can use any pie tray that you like, and add your crushed biscuits right inside. You're then going to form it around your mold or cake tin, just using your hands and fingers. Go around the sides and leave a little bit of crust on the sides as well, and make sure you've got a nice bottom too. Now we're going to place this in the oven to bake. After it's been baked, it should look just like this. It smells absolutely amazing. We're going to set this aside to fully cool down. Now we're going to make our lime filling. Over here I've got a lot of limes. First thing we're going to do, we're going to juice them. So I usually do this straight away by just cutting my limes and squeezing out all the juice, or as much juice as possible out of them. You can also zest your limes before you start juicing them, in case you don't have a lot of limes. Once you have your lime juice, we're gonna now get ready. Into your stand mixer, add your egg yolks, and using a whisk attachment, you're gonna whisk this for a couple of minutes until it's nice and pale and fluffy. It should look just like this. We're incorporating a lot of air into our egg yolks. Then go ahead and start slowly adding your condensed milk a little bit at a time and mixing on medium to high speed. You want to add it slowly and keep mixing until your mixture becomes nice and pale. Then you're going to go ahead and add your lime juice. You can also add vanilla extract and add your lime zest as well. Once your mixture is done, it should look just like this. You might want to mix this with a spatula to make sure all your ingredients are incorporated and smooth. You're then going to pour this into your pie crust that has cooled down, and we're going to place it back into the oven. Make sure to smooth it out so it's nice and even. You don't want to have any lumps on top, as this will show up on your final pie. Place it into your preheated oven and bake until it's ready. And there you go, guys, look at this. We want to leave it to fully cool down, and you can take it out of the mold or serve it straight in the mold. Now to make our cream on top, you're going to add your double heavy cream with vanilla extract and icing sugar and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. We want to reach nice peaks just like so they stay on your whisk. They need to be quite firm so we can pipe them. You can decorate your pie how you like it. I'm going to divide my cream into two bowls and have green cream representing lime. Place it into a piping bag with a star-shaped nozzle, and I'm going to add my white cream into a different piping bag with a bigger star-shaped nozzle. Again, feel free to decorate your pie how you want to and get as creative as you like. But I like to pipe my cream right on the sides, in the middle, and then decorate with my lime cream as well. Decorated with some fresh lime, and there you go, guys. Look at this beautiful key lime pie. Absolutely amazing, so fluffy, so delicious. So creamy, you've got a nice crunch, you've got the creamy center. It just melts in your mouth. It's so refreshing. And if you like lime desserts, this one is definitely for you. I hope you try it. Enjoy.